Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a slow zoom in on CapCut. So when you open CapCut, start up a new project. So quickly look for the video that you want to import and you want to edit. So for this case I'll use this video as an example. Then I say add. Okay, so as you can see, this is a video that I want to use as an example. Okay, so when this video is playing, I'll look for the point where I want it to be zoomed in. So at this point, when this kid looks into the camera, just at that point, that's when I want the zoom in to come in from. Okay, so I'll put this line here at that very point. Okay, then I'll tap on the video itself in the timeline. Okay, so when you tap on the video in the timeline, come and tap on this one here. This is a keyframe, the one which is like a diamond with a plus on the left side. So you tap on that one as a keyframe. Okay, so when you tap on the keyframe, come and adjust it a bit. Okay, up to that point. You can adjust it up to that point if you want. Okay, then again you tap on the keyframe. Okay, so in the middle here, you tap here in the middle. Okay, so at that point you come and reduce the speed. So you tap on speed, then you reduce it to 0. You can put it to 0.5 or 0.6. Okay, so after that you tap on the stick. Okay, so when you're done with that, you go back and try to play your video. But before you play your video, you need to make something. You need to make some small change. Okay, remember you said you want to be zooming in, so if you play the video like this, okay, at that point you can see it's zoomed in, but it's not zoomed in a slow motion way. So to zoom the video in a slow motion way, we need to go back and add another keyframe. Okay, so remember this is the point where the zoom in was coming in from. So you come back to the old keyframe over here, this one here. Okay, so again you need to zoom in a bit. Okay, all right, so after zooming in, you let it play. You go back to the home page. Okay, so let's play it again. Okay, so the zoom in is in slow motion. That's how you go about it. Okay, let me play it one more time. Okay, so that's how to zoom in slow motion, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If you found value in this video, please leave the like on it. Thank you for watching, guys.